everybody's trying to defend their ideology.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like the same concept of we are fighting off a virus. Like this thing is coming to destroy this little peaceful. Because as long as it brings you peace and it allows you guys to work together and build things. Because that's what what has happened. If you, for example, you look at the Catholic Church when they really took over Rome and whatnot, they building all those huge, how do we say,
Cathedrals.
cathedrals,
Whether mbona watu
the
wajengange
cities, and the farming, and they're doing science. They're trying to find out. Okay, we know the prayers do not heal diseases, but sikilia, wacha tutafute the real cause, and you'd find there's a lot of scientists who are Catholics, because that's the thing I always tell guys. You have to understand, in as much as these people are telling you this, they know that there's actual rational thought that has to be put behind problem solving.
In fact, even Illuminati kind of had
Yes.
that story.
Awareness.
Illuminati were scientists of Catholic.
Yes. I suspect all these groups, the Freemasons, it's the same thing. They pick talent that actually knows how to produce things. The people always miss that aspect of it all. Why is the Catholic Church so rich? Like, it's so rich, and they have real estate, and they have factories, and they have investments in things, and in vaccines, and they're everywhere. And you see that aspect, because they've always been that way. They've played ball with Hitler, they played ball with the Caesars, they played ball with everyone that was in power. Because they've accrued the power. They knew we had to get in here. We have the people's minds, and we also have wealth. Because just feeding people words is not enough. Because at some point, Catholic Church is like, we're starting a hospital here. We're starting a school. We are feeding these orphans. Because your utility now is right there. People can see, hey, there's utility. In the end, you have to accept the fact that hierarchy exists. They're still on top, and they're the ones who decide how those resources are distributed. So play your game with them if that's where you want to get your sustenance. Otherwise, you can look for other ways.